In this module, you will learn a quick and effective way to break seams in Zodiaq quartz surfaces and prepare them for reseaming, whether in the shop or in the field. The tools required to perform a safe and effective seam break include thin metal putty knife, low-tack masking tape, razor knife or an oscillating saw such as the Multimaster or Supercut manufactured by Fine Power Tools, wedges, hot air gun, 500 to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, high temperature gloves, paint or laminate scraper, hammer, leather gloves. To break a field seam, loosen the countertop section or sections that are to be removed by cutting the perimeter silicone bead. If silicone has been used under the countertop, you will need to slide a thin, stiff putty knife between Zodiaq and the substrate. Tape along each side of the seam as close as possible. Use at least 2 layers of tape. This will help protect the surface in case your tool slips when you score the seam. Score the seam with a razor knife or oscillating saw. Be sure to use water with the saw. Score the seam no deeper than 1/16 of an inch and not all the way through. The concept is the same as cutting glass. Insert a wedge next to the seam on the side that is still adhered to the cabinets. Raise the free end of the countertop at least 1/2 inch off the cabinet. Using the palms of your hands, apply sharp downward pressure on the free end of the countertop. This should cause a clean break of the scored seam. If the seam doesn't break, rescore the seam, then repeat the downward push on the free end. Raise one seam edge and position a hot air gun that reaches temperatures of 500 degrees Fahrenheit to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 2 inches from the seam surface. Be sure to wear protective gloves, since the temperature of the air will be enough to burn you. Move the hot air gun slowly along the edge to soften the seam adhesive, following closely behind with a sharp single-edged blade like a laminate or paint scraper. Repeat until the edge is clean and smooth. Once all adhesive is removed, lower edge and repeat process on other edge. After the edge cools, clean the surface with denatured alcohol or acetone and remake the seam using the techniques outlined in the DuPont Zodiaq installation video. If you have any questions regarding any of the information provided in this module or the entire video, please call the following number, 1-877-229-3935, and a DuPont representative will assist you.